Hello, it's Juneteenth, and I wanted to make a video about this anomaly I've been tracking. Um, about a week ago, I started seeing this on radar, and I've never seen this before. And I've been watching this radar every day for probably 6 years now, and I've never seen this before. This shining right here in the water has never happened before, and it's been happening for the last week, right before that Schumann spike with the DNA codes. And I didn't make a video about it because I wanted to wait and see what it was doing, but you can see it makes patterns, and it's only in the water on this little part right here, because everywhere else that shining only goes on the land, because I've been noticing that too. I don't know what it is, I don't know what it means, but it's kind of strange that it happened right before the Schumann spike, which looks like this, and it's never done that before either. These are like light code activations or DNA or something, but this right here is something strange. Here's a close-up of it. And the other shine on the land does come out every day anyway, but it's going away right now. It goes to the earth and it comes back. This is the shining on the land right here. You can see a little piece of it right here. See where it goes away? It's going to another continent now. But this in the water, this is something I've never seen before. And I have to report it because I don't know what it means. Also, there's still an etching right here from Sandman bubble going this way. You can, when the clouds clear, you can see behind it. See, it's still got little swirls and circles, and it goes this far. It's behind those clouds right now, but it's still the same. It's still there. You can still see it. And now I actually have two satellites pointing this way because I'm hitting one of them with Washington, D.C. There's some people doing some work over there, and I think they need some help with Orgone scalar energy. Can't hurt. So, yeah, and another thing, too, I've been saying about my equipment, how it's cleaning this area and how dark it is. Again, pay attention to how dark the very center of all this darkness is right here where I'm at. And see how far it goes out. You can see it. You can see it diminishing over here. As it goes farther, it's less. It hits all the way to Africa, actually. See, here's that shine right there, too, in Africa. But it's only on the land. Only on the land. I've never seen it hit the water before, like over here. So I don't know what it means. But anyway, yeah, see how far this goes? You can see it, a straight line cutting this way. And the farther it goes out, it gets a little bit less strong because it's clearing all this. So you can see the Sandman bubble over here, same thing. It's from over here, and it's clearing this whole area. I have one pointing straight up north too, and it's getting all of Canada. See the way it's all dark now? As soon as the sun comes up, this whole area turns dark because it's clear now. Less pollutants and chemtrails. This clears chemtrails. Oh, and also these storms, they have no chance. I have Sandman pointing this way, so as soon as it goes through, I catch them, and then it infects them, the storm, to where they can't really grow anymore, so they just fizzle out. You see, they just fizzle out. But they've been throwing rain bombs for a while now. It seems to be more in the evenings when they do it over here, but they blow through and they go this way. But as they come through me, I always hit these storms, and it makes them change to where they don't really develop. They just go away. Takes the red out. Kind of like putting out a fire. You kind of spray it, and then it just goes out. That's what I'm doing with this Orgone. I'm kind of spraying it. Storms, everything. Pollution. idiots, everything, because this goes through bodies too, and cement, everything, trees. I have my equipment from inside my house, and nobody ever sees it. And I have it pointing towards the walls, but really it's going through the walls. This way, that way, that way, two of them, and this way. So anyway, I wanted to show you this really quick because I don't know what it means, and I think it's something important. This shining right here in the water. I'm gonna leave one of the links so you guys can watch this. And I don't know if this whole thing's gonna grow and all the water's gonna start shining. Because if it does that, I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's something good for sure. All this clearing and darkness is not anything bad, and all this extra shining that's been happening over the land first, and I've noticed that I wasn't doing that before a few years ago, because I've been tracking this and watching it. You can watch my past videos. I've been doing this for a long time, and you won't see all this shining a few years back. But now it's doing it in the water, and it's close to me. That's a lot of coincidences, folks. Look at the patterns. Look at the way it forms, like almost like it's dancing, and it creates kind of symmetrical little patterns. See? It kind of skips around and dances and goes back. Kind of like a snake a little bit. But okay, just want to show you this. Have a good day today, because after all, the freed slaves, they're coming back. Thank you. Have a good day. Love you.